told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you
One day, just one day, you will wake up and there won't be any more time for you to do the things that you wanted. Do it now. That's what Paulo Coelho is telling us. This quote from Paulo Coelho means every plan that we have now, we should do it now. Because you don't know what comes tomorrow. Tomorrow you might become sick. Tomorrow changes may happen. If you're a business person, inflation may hit your country and the investment climate becomes bad. Taxation policy may change and you cannot enter the market. If you're a farmer, the climate or the weather may change. So the best answer is, do it now. It's about future predictability. The future is very unpredictable. Even technology itself. Whoever thought those who used to operate cameras in helicopter when shooting their aerial view of movies would lose their job. Currently, even Hollywood, Bollywood, Nollywood, and any other movie industries like Lionsgate are using drones. So where are those people who did not upgrade themselves? Where are they? Who did not implement their focus to change into different training of upgrade? So the time to do it now is do it now. There are those who train in movie industry to shoot the video aerial or from above. They kept on postponing the time to explore their talent until drone came in and it was over. It's like some countries. There are some presidents who have been sitting on oil and minerals, fearing that a region which does not support them, if told that they have oil, they may end up forming rebels to fight the government. They kept quiet. Now, oil has no future. It's only a near future. Electric technology will take over. Electric cars, electric motorbike, electric train, electric airplane are now taking shape in United Kingdom and even United States. The low-developed countries and some middle-income countries, like in the Middle East, are the ones who are still markets, full markets for the petroleum products. So those presidents, those states, those nations, those countries who kept on saying that we will drill our oil, we will have our oil project in future, now they've reached this future and there's no market. So please, do it now. Thank you.
You felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.